Hi. A little while ago I made a video regarding the new Wacaco Prestina. This is just a quick kind of follow-up about the different colours. At that time I only had the green colour, the sage green. The other two weren't available when I made my order from Wacaco for this product, so I couldn't really get those. In the meantime, I've managed to get a hold of some of the other two colours, so this is kind of again a little bit of a unboxing, I suppose, but just kind of showing you what the other two colours look like in case you're on the fence about which one to go for, and I'll kind of show you what the colours look like. Sometimes when you see them online, the colours look a little bit different to what they actually do when you get them home, so maybe from this video you can see what the colours look like and make a decision on that, which one is the right one for you. Okay, the three colours are obviously the sage green, which is the one that I had in my previous video. We've got coal black, and we've got this clay pink. I wasn't sure about this one originally, and I kind of thought I don't really know if people would be keen of this colour, but after looking at it, it's actually quite nice, and I honestly think this is personally my favourite colour out of all of them. But like I say, I'll do an unboxing of all of these. I'll take them out of the box and you can see them side by side what they look like. I don't want to make this video too long. It really is just a comparison of the different colours, so you can make your mind up which one might be the more suitable one for you. So unboxed, this is what they actually look like together. Obviously you've got the green one. As you can see, they've all got this kind of speckled finish on the lids there. Got the rubber bottom there that comes off. So that's like the green one. Again, you can refer to my previous video if you want to kind of see a little bit more information about what they actually do and how to use them. The black one, the coal black, again it's got the Prestina at the top and another kind of speckled finish on the lid there. Same rubber bottom with the valve there. So that's what that looks like. And the clay pink one, I thought this would be a little bit more bright, kind of more like pink, but it's not. It is more like clay than actual pink. Again, it's got a speckled thing there. I actually quite like that. I wasn't sure about it. I nearly didn't order these. I just thought, nah, I'll just pink one for the ladies. But I ordered it, and actually it's quite nice. I actually think I prefer this one out of all of them. The black one's nice, the green one's nice. I thought I would like the black one more than all of them, but I kind of actually like this one. I think it's quite nice. Again, you've got the valve there and the rubber at the bottom there. I'll take these apart just quickly in case we haven't seen our other videos, just so you can see what's inside. You've got the lid there with a kind of a rubber insert and paper. You've got a spoon that doubles as a stirring tool, and you can take that off, and that doubles as a stirrer, and then you can put that back on, and that's your scoop. Take the bottom off this one, and that's your valve there, obviously, and your cup. And that's how those things work. Again, if you want to see a little bit more detail about that, go and watch my previous video. And it's basically that. It's not it's not a complicated product, this one. Very good for traveling. Very similar to an AeroPress, but a little bit bigger. Got the metal screen in there. Very easy to clean, very easy to assemble and disassemble and use. Very nice little product. And that's basically it, really. That's all there is to say about this. Just like I say, I just wanted to show a quick comparison of the different colours so you can see what those are like. And that's basically it. I'll put this back together and kind of go over them just a little bit more, like one more time, so you can see the colour. Let's just get this lid back on. Yeah, no problem with that. Let's just push that down a little bit more like that. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, the black is quite nice. Actually, let me just let me get my light down here so we can see a little bit better what the colours are on in a proper daylight lamp setting. Yeah. So they've got the markings down there as well, so you know how much you're putting in there. Got the Wacaco writing on the side. All of them's got the same thing there. None of them's any different. Wacaco, and the measurements. So yeah, that's it. Like I say, I hope that helps anybody that's interested in this, what they actually look like out of the box, and it helps you to decide whether or not you want to go for the green, the black, or the pink. So yeah, thanks for watching, and as usual, have a great day. Any comments, leave them down below. I'm always around, and I'll try and answer every comment that I get. So yeah, take care.